In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a live stream on your Wix website. Whether you're looking to broadcast a special event, host a live Q&A, or share a live performance, integrating a live stream can make your site more engaging and interactive for your audience. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to get your live stream up and running on your site with just a few simple steps. To start, open your Wix editor. Once it's loaded, you'll be greeted with the familiar interface where you can make all the creative changes to your site. Now, keeping your goal in mind, let's add the live video component. Head to the left-hand side of your screen where you'll see a variety of options to enhance your site's content. Look for the Add button, which is represented by a small plus symbol. Give it a click to open up the selection of elements you can integrate into your website. In the menu that pops up, you'll notice several categories of items, from text and images to interactive features. For this tutorial, we're going to navigate to the Video and Music section. This is where you'll find all the video-related elements you can incorporate into your site. Click on it, and you'll see various options appear. Your next step is to drag and drop the video player onto your web page. You could choose any location that suits your design preferences. Just remember, this will potentially be prominent content for anyone visiting your site during the live stream. Once you've placed the video player in your desired spot, the next thing you'll want to do is to hit the Manage Videos button. This is typically located on the toolbar or right next to the video player you just added. Within the Manage Videos interface, you're going to see a field that's specifically designed for pasting a URL. Here's where the magic happens. Once you've copied the link of your live stream, or even a video you plan to use, simply paste it into this field. Now, remember, the quality and reliability of your stream depend on the source of the URL, so make sure it's a valid link from a dependable streaming service. After pasting your URL, you should instantly see your video player display a preview of your live stream. This confirmation means you've successfully embedded the stream onto your website. It's a good idea at this point to preview your entire site to ensure everything looks good and works as expected. Simply navigate through your site, checking to see that the video loads quickly and plays smoothly. Congratulations, you've now embedded a live stream onto your Wix website. Take advantage of this feature to connect with your audience in a more immediate and interactive way. Feel free to customize other settings to enhance the viewer experience, and watch as your site becomes a hub for captivating real-time content.